always wanted Lucas to stand out in the industry as a game-changing company that set standards, and for me, that didn't exist within the line of tools that we used as a business. Nobody's ever really taken things to a level that I felt was at that quality standard that you get in other areas. Very inspired, obviously, by the clients we work for, such as McLaren, and wanted to make that change in my industry. And as a result of that, Lucas ProTools was born. The whole concept behind Lucas ProTools is tools for the fit-out and finishing sector. Painting is where I started, that's close to my heart, that's my trade. So without doubt, the first tool will be the ProFinish paintbrush. Working with today's water-based paints means that you've got to have the right tools to apply them. It's not straightforward as it used to be. Now, obviously, what we've done with ProFinish is bring in technology that allows anybody to achieve the very best finish with the interior design water-based paints on the market. As a painter, picking up many brushes over the years, there's always been a disconnect for me in terms of how that sits in your hand. It's really strange, but no one's ever really changed that. It's very squarish, it doesn't fit the hand. What we've done is created something that is an extension of you, so as soon as you pick that up, you don't want to put it down. We've spent a lot of time designing it so that it's got the ergonomics that a decorator requires. That's amazing to think that we've achieved our own unique blend of Chinex that will absolutely deliver the finish that we've been looking for. Even though we've got a number of different materials being used, the whole thing feels as one. In particular, if you look at the ferrule and the way that that smooths straight into the handle with no ridges, you know, the whole thing is seamless. We've got hemispheres for keeping the brush off the surface, and the weight, the process that we've gone through to get to that, and the absolute attention to detail in terms of made by hand is really written all over the product. Spanning 6 decades, Lucas has built its history in Britain, working on iconic projects such as Cutty Sark, Royal Shakespeare Theatre. We've moved into manufacturing, we've put a lot of effort into ProFinish. It endorses everything that we're about as a company. It had to be made in Britain, and it is.